Assalamu alaikum. So far we have covered almost 5 to 6 topics in the regular classes before vacations, and this would be our first lecture, online first lecture, and we are gonna discuss the two world wars, and these wars are important because if you don't study the history, if you don't study the historical events, historical background, you won't be able to understand the things. So here we have come up with this two world wars, and فرسٹ ورلڈ وار ہیز اسٹارٹیڈ. پہلی جنگ عظیم جو تھی وہ 1914 سے 1918 تک جاری رہی تھی، جبکہ دوسری جنگ عظیم جو تھی جسے ورلڈ وار 2 کہتے ہیں وہ 1939 کو سٹارٹ ہوئی تھی اور 1945 میں اینڈ ہوئی تھی. جیسے فار ایگزامپل ابھی رائٹ ناؤ سچویشن ہے کووڈ-19 کی وجہ سے. It has spread all across the globe and the world has got stagnant. ہر چیز رک گئی ہے. تو اسی طریقے سے جسٹ امیجن، یہ تو ایک وبا ہے. یو کین ٹیک کیئر آف اٹ لائک بائی کنٹریننگ یور سیلف. لیکن جب ہم ورلڈ وار 1 ورلڈ وار 2 کی بات کرتے ہیں، آلموسٹ آل دا میجر اسٹیٹس، جو میجر اسٹیٹس ہیں دنیا کی، وہ اس میں انوالو تھیں. دے ور فائٹنگ ایچ ادر. ایون ایٹ دیٹ ٹائم دنیا اسٹیگننٹ ہو گئی تھی، روزمرہ کی زندگی ڈسٹرب ہو گئی تھی. جیسے آج کل ہر چیز، ایجوکیشن انسٹیٹیوشنز بند ہیں، بزنسز بند ہیں، پبلک گیدرنگ بند ہے. اسی طریقے سے اس ٹائم بھی یہی سیم سچویشن تھی. اینڈ ڈیورنگ آل دیز ٹو وارس poverty has gripped different societies. Education was ruined. People were not able to do business, and a lot of people were killed. In history, a lot of wars were fought, but those wars has ended in 6 months, 1 year, and only 2 to 3 parties were engaged. And even when this initially in the start of this World War 1, the main parties who have actually started the war, they thought that ان کو یہی لگتا تھا کہ یہ بھی شروع ہوگی اور فوراً سے ختم ہو جائے گی، ہم اپنا بیسک آبجیکٹیو اینڈ انٹرسٹ سیکیور کرنے کے بعد. بٹ نہیں، یہ ایک بہت بڑی تباہی کا سبب بنی، اور کسی کے ذہن و گمان میں نہیں تھا کہ مطلب اس طریقے سے ساری میجر پاورز اس کا پارٹ بن جائیں گی، اور اس طرح کی کیٹاسٹروف آ سکتی ہے. ورلڈ وار 1 بھی ایک چھوٹے سے انسیڈنٹ سے سٹارٹ ہوئی. لائک ایک سربین نیشنل تھا جس کو ایسیسینیٹ کر دیا تھا، جس کا نام تھا آرچ ڈیوک آف آسٹریا in 1914. So that small incident or assassination has ignited World War 1, and it pushed all Europe into the war. اس ورلڈ وار 1 کے دوران تقریباً 72 to 75 million troops were engaged with each other for fighting. So اور اس 75 million میں سے almost 60 million were only European troops of different countries. And 60 million means 1 million means 10 lakh, and 10 million means 1 crore. 60 million means 6 crore people of Europe were engaged with each other in fighting. And other than this, total 22 million people were killed, including both the troops and the civilians. And the horrific thing was that Germany and British got engaged with each other, and they have used chemical weapon on each other. And peace as it, even after almost after the end of this World War One, at the end the Spanish flu has spread, and even that Spanish flu has killed almost 60 to 70 million people in the world. And the states were divided into two groups: the Central Power and Allied Power. Central are being called as Axis Power 2. So जो सेंट्रल पावर्स में जो मेन कंट्रीज थी वो बल्गेरिया जर्मनी, ऑटोमन एम्पायर, बल्गेरिया, और इसके अगेंस्ट जो अलाइड पावर्स में थी इटली, फ्रांस, ब्रिटेन, यूएसए, China and Russia. And during all these battles at different front, initially the Central Power or the Axis Power has won at the Eastern Front, but later the Allied powers had neutralized the Axis Power, and they took over all the places which were being taken by the Axis. The second major result was fall of the continental empires, and a lot of countries got independence and new countries have emerged on the map of the world. Another major result was the collapse of Russian Empire, and in 1917 subsequently Soviet Union has emerged. During all after the end and during all this World War One, different revolution have started, different uprising have started, and different colonies of the empires, and they demanded freedom, and which later became reality. We can take the example of Pakistan and India, but not Pakistan and India got independence not because of the World War One, but World War Two. One of the positive development after this World War One was the formation of League of Nations. League of Nations is just like United Nations, but United Nations membership is almost 190 or 193 member states, but League of Nations was not joined by so much huge number of countries. And the main purpose of League of Nations was to prevent war like World War One, and but unfortunately League of Nations was not successful. Why? Because of the start of World War II. So the formation of League of Nations was League of Nations इसलिए बनाई गई थी कि वर्ल्ड वॉर्स रोकी जाए, पीस मेंटेन किया जाए, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स ना हो. लेकिन जब वर्ल्ड वॉर टू स्टार्ट हुई तो इसका मतलब ये है कि अपनी लीग ऑफ नेशन अपनी क्रेडिबिलिटी खो चुका था. So but after the end of World War II, this United Nations was formed, and that is quite successful because it has the membership of almost more than 190 countries. So یہ two world wars کے first online lecture میں we have discussed mainly World War One, and in part 2 we will be discussing World War II in detail, and I'll be sharing when I'll share this lecture with you. During that time you people can ask me questions, and I'll be addressing every single question. تو اس کے بعد آج کا ہمارا لیکچر ختم ہوتا ہے, and we'll come up with the second lecture very soon. Stay blessed and Allah Hafiz.